hassled on how you can get your NSSF number, which is the short name of the National Social Security Fund. What you're supposed to do basically using your phone without doing a lot of work, you are just supposed to hit *303 hash. Just ensure you have close to 10 bob in your SIM account. In case you are using Safaricom SIM, just ensure you have an airtime which is worth 10 bob so that you can receive this service not easily without using the eCitizen portal. Just click OK. After clicking OK, what you're supposed to do basically again, you are just needed to come to where we have check your NSSF number, which is that option 5. From there now, to check your NSSF account, you are supposed to enter your national ID. Just enter your national ID here. Then, after entering your national ID, just click send. So you can see my NSSF number is auto-generated here, and my national ID number is here. You also receive it as an SMS, so you can receive it from here. It is here. So, and that is how you request your NSSF number easily without a lot of hassle or going to cybers. So this is the easiest method. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button in case you get it helpful. Thank you, and may Almighty God bless you.